Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your headphones JBL Tune 570. And to call Siri, you need to locate multifunctional button. Multifunctional button located at the right ear cup, right here, between volume up and volume down buttons. And to call Siri, you need to press 2 times at this multifunctional button. 1, 2. And as you can see right here, Siri is awake, so it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!